A Milford teen accused of stabbing to death a Fairfield Prep student at a party was back in court today, where his attorney asked for more time to review the state's evidence against him. News 12 Connecticut's Marissa Alter was there as Raul Leto Valley went before a judge.
It was a very brief pretrial hearing and one that remained conflict-free after everyone left the courthouse. A far cry from the last time this case was here, when a fight almost broke out. 2 months ago, emotions ran high and tempers flared following a court appearance in July for Raul Leto Valley, charged with the murder of 17-year-old Jimmy McGrath, a football and lacrosse player at Fairfield Prep.
As a result of that, the marshals today decided, it's best to try and keep anything from occurring, and so they gave, I believe the family members of the victims had a separate room, and my client and his family had a separate room, and thankfully there were no incidents today.
During the hearing, attorney Kevin Smith asked the judge for more time to review the evidence against his client before deciding whether or not to request a probable cause hearing. That's where a judge determines if there's a valid basis for the arrest.
We have received a very large amount of discovery thus far. Digital discovery, I believe, in excess of 1 terabyte.
Judge Peter Brown agreed, continuing the hearing until November 1st. Smith told News 12 his team has gone through 80 to 85% of the evidence so far and will be getting more from the state soon.
I expect we'll have everything that they have thus far, likely by the end of this week, if not the beginning of next week. That, however, doesn't mean that there isn't still other discovery to come that's pending test results or things of that nature.
Valley was arrested in May after police say he killed McGrath and stabbed 3 other teens at a house party in Shelton. Valley was 16 at the time, a student at St. Joseph High School, but charged as an adult. He's under house arrest while out on $2 million bond. The judge previously okayed time in his home's yard. He also said he didn't want the now 17-year-old to have access to the internet or his cell phone.
That has not been an issue at all. Full compliance.
Jimmy McGrath's father had no comment on the hearing after he left the courtroom. When asked how he's doing, he said, "It doesn't get easier." In Milford, Marissa Alter, News 12 Connecticut.